Hey guys, welcome back to the Easy Auto channel. Today I need to service this 2020 Chevy Traverse. You can see in there oil change and oil filter change and the air filter. Let me show you the percentage on the air filter life. Alright, so keep your key around the car. I don't need to start the vehicle, so I don't need to hold the brake with my foot. I just need to hold this start button. Okay, yeah, now it's almost like like a key accessory, not like a key on to start the vehicle. So now I can go through the manual. Let's see, oil life 42%. But this car will have a road trip coming, so I'm go ahead and change the oil anyway. And yeah, the air filter life just about 25%. I'm going to change it because it's just past like 10,000 miles. I'm kind of old school. I like to change air filter every like 10,000 miles. All right, let's get to work. Oh, before that, don't forget, shut off the ignition and then pull the hood latch, open the hood. Alright, here's the hood latch, have a yellow handle. Push it this way and then the hood should open. I picked the OEM filter. It's an AC Delco. Here's the part number. Well, they're not sponsored, but that's what I'm going to use. And then here's the air box where the air filter live. It's on like the left side of the engine. And the air filter housing, it held by a couple Phillips head screw. So like one here, one here, one here. So like 5 screw total. I will use the number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Oh, you want to see how I do an oil change on this like a Traverse? I will put a link somewhere here and the link in the description below. Alright, let's get to the air filter housing. Right now, it should just leave it up. And here's the old, and you can just pull the filter this way. Alright, here's the old filter. Alright, let's compare to the new one. Well, the new one, of course, definitely cleaner. Okay. Alright, before I install the filter, oops, I want to vacuum out inside the air filter because I have some debris in there. Yeah, let me show you. Here I have some fuzz, some leaves, and maybe some sand. I don't know what it is. Yeah, let's clean it up with a vacuum cleaner. Alright, it is clean now. So let's see, like this side is down, face down like this, and like where the, I don't know what they call it, the plastic net is face on the top. Yep, so that's the correct orientation. Put it back in. Alright, like make sure the filter is sit flush with the bottom part of the air box housing. Yep, that's good. Yeah, because I don't want to like to pinch the rubber gasket on the air filter. Yeah, it might make it like not seal properly. Okay, and now I need to check to make sure everything is correct. Yeah, because I don't want to see like a piece of like an orange rubber gasket sticking out. Yeah, I just want to make sure everything is sealed properly once I tie down all the screw. Yeah, it looks good. Alright, so I can tie down all 5 screws, then the air, and like go back to the car and reset the air filter life. Okay, so I tie down every single one. Now just like do a final check. Alright, it's good. Alright, let's reset the air filter live monitor. So I'll probably do the same thing. Hold the start button until yep, of course the hood's still open. And let's see, what's this? It just say okay. Okay, air filter live. Now I'm go ahead and hold this check mark on the steering wheel, and it should reset it. Oh, I don't need to hold it. Sorry, just press one time, and it will give you this menu. And then you can hit the check mark again to do reset. Are you sure? Yes. And now you can do the navigating key to the right. Now it's set to yes, and then press the check mark again, and there you go. It's just that simple. So I got the filter from Amazon. I want like $34 plus like a half can of your favorite beverages in a nice hot afternoon, and get it done less than like 10 minutes. Yeah, so I've saved me maybe $20. Yeah, well, thanks for watching. I will do a tire rotation on this after like they come back from the road trip. Yeah, based on the manual, it says supposed to do like a 7,500,000 miles each time for the tire rotation. I think I did that. Probably do it like next time at around like 15,000 miles. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.